Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn grade 12 English Unit 4 Civic Values Writing. So firstly you have to open your textbook and you have to go page number 47. Exercise A. Write about an activity that you have been engaged in for the betterment of the community you are in. Follow the given outlines. Description of the activity. When it happened, where it happened, impact on the community. အဲ့တော့ဒီမှာဆိုရင်တောက်သမီးတို့ကပေါ့နော်ဒီလူအဖွဲ့အစည်းကောင်းမှုအတွက်လူအဖွဲ့အစည်းဆိုတာဥမာကိုယ့်ရဲ့ကွက်ကိုယ့်ရဲ့မြို့ပေါ့နော်ကိုယ့်ရဲ့နိုင်ငံကိုယ့်ရဲ့စာသင်ကျောင်းပေါ့နော်ကိုယ်အဲ့လိုမျိုးပေါ့နော်အဲ့လိုမျိုးကောင်းမှုအတွက်လှုပ်ဆောင်ခဲ့မှုရဲ့ activity အကြောင်းကိုရေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်အဲ့တော့ကျတော့ရေးတဲ့အခါမှာဒီ outline တွေကိုကြည့်ပြီးတော့ရေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့တော့ဒီချက်ဒီမှာတောက်သမီးတို့ဒီပုံစံလေးနဲ့ရေးထားတဲ့ simple လေးပြတ်ထားရပေါ့နော် look at the simple okay ဒါဆိုရင်ဒီဟာလေးကိုအရင်ကြည့်ကြည့်အောင်ပေါ့နော် simple လေးကိုရင်ကြည့်မယ် okay the activity name is community clean up day description I organized a clean up at Greenfield Park to address litter issue volunteers collected trash using gloves and bags with proper waste disposal arranged when aware the event took place last month when a ceremony at Greenfield Park impaired. The park became cleaner and safer, inspiring others to care for shared space. It strengthened the community's pride and environmental awareness. နော်အဲ့တော့ဒီလိုပုံစံလေးရေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်အဲ့တော့ရေးကြည့်ပါအောင်နော် Exercise B. A profile is a brief description of a person. It provides detailed information about appearance, personality, and the things he or she enjoys doing. Write the following example and write your own profile, including your personality and activities you enjoy doing. I think you know a profile and you have your own profile on Facebook. Actually, a profile is a brief description of a person and it also provides detailed information about appearance, personality, and the things you enjoy doing. Okay, now let's try the profile of Kathy, 16 years old. After you have studied the profile of Kathy, you have to make your own profile in your exercise book. Okay, let's try the profile of Kathy. I love to make a difference in the lives of people, bringing about positive changes and contributing to their well-being. I believe I am helpful, honest, and kind. Born and brought up in a small town, I lead a simple life. I have two elder sisters and I am the youngest in the family. Both my mom and dad are high school teachers and they are not very strict with me. In the evenings, after finishing school, I volunteer at the home for the aged nearby where many helpless and homeless elderly people are provided accommodation. Providing assistance and companionship is something I find rewarding. On weekends, I spend my morning tutoring children in my neighborhoods in math and English. In the afternoons, I visit the animal shelter owned by an elderly lady, helping her feed and care for the animals. I also allocate a portion of my pocket money to help those in need. I am genuinely happy to make a significant difference in the lives of the people I meet. So this is the profile of Kathy. So ဒါကတော့ Kathy ရဲ့ profile ရေးထားတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်အဲ့တော့ဒီ profile လေးထဲမှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်သူက appearance ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ဒီမှာKathy ကနော်သူကဒီမှာဆိုရင်မြို့ငယ်လေးမှာမွေးတယ်သူရဲ့အဖေသူမှာမိသားစုဘယ်နှစ်ယောက်ရှိရဲသူရဲ့အဖေမိကဘာလုပ်တယ်ဘယ်လိုသူရဲ့မိသားစုချင်းနေဘယ်လိုဆိုတာမျိုးသူ appearance မှာပြောသွားရပေါ့နော် and then for her personality သူမရဲ့ဒီ personality အတွက်တော့သူမကဘာလုပ်လဲဆိုရင် helpful ဖြစ်တယ် honest ဖြစ်တယ် kind ဖြစ်တယ်နောက်ပြီးတော့သူဘာ she loved to make a difference in the lives of people, bringing about positive change and contributing to their well-being. So, we built it. And we are madua. Now, check palace. To buy low and net the less so be your Eddie Masolution to Palo Leso. Tell me, Yan is only Maso Hindu, the Miba Maki Hari, to my Palo Leslie, volunteer log is so I'm you bono. Diaro to ye, or the activities she enjoying doing party. So, let's make your own profile now. Okay, well then, this is the last video or unit 4. I hope all of you enjoy to learn with me. Thank you all.